Here is press.
Yeah, my dear brother, I said short video, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, because
Here,
yeah,
give me a puff. Hey, God bless you, man.
yeah. So every time the God bless to the all, right?
Yeah.
Because it's most important, my dear brothers. I have the Holy Bible. This is the New Testament. If you want to read the Old Testament and New Testament, I'll give you the both of Bible. Not problem. But this is only the New Testament. But so some people they have to like the only the New Testament, right? So that is I'll bring the New Testament of the Bible, right? So it most important, my dear brothers. Why does Jesus love you? You know, right? Because don't know, because all the people they don't know why the God can love. Yeah, right. My name is Pastor Nandi. Your name, please?
Brendan. Brendan.
Bondrin.
Yeah.
Bondrin. Okay, Bondrin. This is the big question. Why does Jesus love you? This is the big question. I'll bring this topic today for you, right? Maybe you have asked the question before. I think it's before you'll be asked the question, right? And maybe you're wonders, right? Maybe you are the wonder or you are asked the question for the God, right? And does Jesus really love you and me? All the people, the God love too, right? Because the God is most important for in our life, right? The answer is yes, because the God can love, and then the answer will give him for the yes. Is the love? Is really to love to all the people, right? And but today we work to ask why, because today we are asking, and that's the why. What they have to love to God? Why Jesus love you? What is the reason?
What's the reason?
Yeah, what the reason God can love,
Yes.
right? But don't know, right? And for example, Jesus love you because God is love. Jesus love, right? And God is love, right? And what the Bible say, God is love, right? This means the Bible can tell God does not only show love. God is love, because the God cannot show only the love, because He really to love. And like for example, you know, the sun give light, right? Sun give light because
Sun.
it is the sun,
The sun.
you know, because sun give the light, but this is the sun. His love. God give love because He love. God can give, and but He love to you and the other people, right? Jesus love you because love is in the heart. You know, the sun they have to light for the day, and the night they have the close, right? That's the dark. Same like, but the God, right? And His love in the heart, right? For example, the baby and the mother. The mothers love the baby, but that's not the truth of love. One day, the mothers can leave the baby and forget to go another place.
Yeah.
But God cannot to forget. He really to giving in the heart, right? Inside the heart, and he's the God, because He love every day. Jesus love you personally, because His love only the personally for you. Isaiah, what that said the God? Isaiah 43 verse 1. What the said? I have called you by name and your mind, but the God can tell His call your name or in your mind, right? In your mind. This means Jesus does not only love people. This means Jesus cannot love only for the people. He love you, but He is love you. He know your name, but everything in your body, right? In your health, the God know, but everything He know because He's great for you, right? He's great for you. That is why He everything He know, right? And He love you, know your name also, right? But everything they know, right? And when you are going to school, and when you are study for your class, right? But the teachers know each student by name. Jesus know your name. He see you, right? No, the for example, is the student they are going to school, and teacher know every person of the name of, right? Same like that. But you are the child of God. But God, you know your name, right? You know your name. Everything is known, right? But the God and thinking, oh, you're my child. His name is to name, right? And told, right? And Jesus show His love by dying for you. And what the God at in John 15 verse 13, what the God tell? The greatest love is to give your life for your friend, because the God can love and He give your life, right? Like a friend. Jesus did not only saying, I love you, but Jesus cannot saying, but I also love you. Not saying, but His truth of love, right? His show His love by dying on the cross of you, because you know when the cross, Jesus is cross certified in the cross, right? But and He's really to love. Why? Because He's dead up in the cross, but He love you. He in the cross. Imagine someone push your shoe and they get it high. Instead, by give for their life to save you. That is what Jesus did on cross, right? Because it is really to important, my dear brothers. Jesus love you because He want to be with you. So Jesus is love with you, and Jesus is with you to all the time, right? All the day, all the times the God is with you. And John 14 verse 3, what they said, I will come and take you to be with me. God tell you, I will come you and I will take you. God promise. God is promised because God is love with you, and you also to love the God of Jesus, right? And Jesus want you to be close to Him now and forever, because God is truth and God is close with you, and God is give the forever for with you, right? So for example, when someone love you, they want to be near you. You invite you to their home. Jesus says, come and be with me. I love you. But the someone, they have to tell, oh, I love you. Oh, my brother, I love you. Oh, I'm stay together. But the people, they have to tell. But the 1 minute, they have to go on for the love. He's live for you, right? He's live for you. He's not stay here. And something to bargaining, after that he's gone, right? You are not good person to tell after that he's gone. But the God, don't forget, His love to forever. He's not ending of the love. His love to all the time, right? All the day. Jesus will never stop loving you, because He's never, right, ending love with you. Never. That's the not stop. He is always to love with you. And what the Romans 8 to 38 to 39, what they say? Nothing can stop God's love, right? Because it is really important, my dear brothers. Not matters what happened, Jesus still love you, because not doesn't matter, but Jesus love with you, right? When it's rain to strands the shining in still in the sky, they just cannot see it in the same way. Never I had time. Jesus still love you, because the raining to shining, so that the shining up to in the sky, right? The sun still the sky, right? And but the God never to like that, right? What should you do, my dear brother? Because it's really important, right? Now you know this. Jesus loves you, my dear, all the time, and He made you because Jesus knows you, and He made you. He sees you every time, right? He gives you, right? He forgives you every time, and He did for you because that Jesus can did for you, and His love. He wants to be with you because the when God is with you, right? He will never stop loving to you, my dear brother. God is coming soon, but I will give the Bible for you, and once you have to time, but you can read the Bible, and God is always with you, my dear brother. Don't worry, God is with you. Okay, so thank you so much, my brother. So I'm so happy to see you. Okay, thank you. If you, I'll give the Bible for you, and you can read the Bible when you have to time. And please, God is coming soon. So thank you, my dear brother. Okay.